The byproduct is always postseason, but what do you do between August to this coming weekend against the alums? How do you prepare yourself? And we're going to do that. What do you do after what do you do on our opening season? Next week when we open up. What's the process of playing our non-league conference schedule? What's the process of how we get then we get into Pac-10 play, Pac-12 play. I'm sorry. So we're continuing to do that. And the one thing we did not accomplish last year is we did not win the Pac-12. And our goal this year is to go out and be the best team in the Pac-12. But that's the goal every year. And so I look at this thing as an unusual circumstance. Who we are hasn't changed. How we're preparing hasn't changed. The excited how we are about this season. When the fans come out next week when we open against Western Michigan, they're going to see Sun Devil baseball. They're going to see the same Sun Devil baseball, hopefully, that they've been used to for the 50 years that we've been playing baseball here. We're going to continue to play that way, and our kids are locked in that way. We have some very, very good baseball players here. We have some juniors that are going to be high-profile kids, as we do every year. We have some juniors that have opportunity to have really good seasons and have opportunities to go, continue their careers in Major League Baseball, and so all that's in place. Nothing has changed as far as who we are, what we've been doing. Our recruiting class that we just signed in November is very exciting. It's ranked in one of the top 2 or 3 in the country. So on paper it looks really good. So this program's not going anywhere. You learn really quick here. You get knocked down, you get back up, and that's what we're doing. And we're excited. We're excited about this year. We got a lot of guys that are going to play their first games, their first innings as a Sun Devil, and that's always fun to watch. It's fun to watch those guys. And then we got some guys that have been in the fire. We got guys that have played in the College World Series. We got guys that have won Pac-12 championships. We got guys that have done that, and that's kind of the strength of our core of our group, that we have those guys coming back, and we're going to go out and like I said, we're going to really try to continue the tradition that we've established here and continue the tradition of playing hard-nosed, aggressive, quality baseball, and we can't wait. We can't wait.